Joins us live from the Upper East Side with more. Christina?
Good morning, Andrea. Even though the new variant hasn't yet been detected in New York State, Governor Kathy Hochul says it is coming. On Friday, she declared a state of emergency, preparing for the surge in cases this upcoming winter. Well, Jessica, we know that the test results from the CDC are expected to come back within 48 hours. We are told that suspected patient came to the hospital Friday after experiencing flu-like symptoms. And we have also learned that starting tomorrow, all incoming flights from China to the United States will be funneled to 7 airports, one of them JFK Airport. Reporting live from Bellevue Hospital, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News. Family is fully vaccinated. Doctors say it's crucial everyone gets the booster when they qualify.
And joins us live outside Pfizer headquarters in Midtown with more. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning, Cindy. All 50 states have now received vaccinations, but some, including New Jersey, are finding less doses than promised. This weekend, federal officials are offering an explanation and an apology. Moderna will be shipping 6 million doses of its vaccine across the U.S. this weekend, reaching healthcare workers by Monday. Reporting live from Midtown Manhattan, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you. CBS 2's Christina Fan joins us live from the scene in Freeport. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning, Cindy. The homicide squad was out here for several hours Saturday in the park, and they actually just returned a few moments ago. The detectives seem to be scanning the ground looking for or who the shooter may be. You were asked to give the Nassau County Police Department a call. Reporting live from Freeport, Long Island, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you.
Police say the suspect responsible for Monday's stabbing is between 25 to 30 years old. He still has not been identified or arrested. Reporting from Times Square, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Joins us live from a vaccination site in Sunset Park, Brooklyn. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning, Cindy. The mega site you see behind us is one of thousands of locations opening up across the state in the coming months, and it is much needed because starting Monday, millions more New Yorkers will be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine, including teachers and seniors. And New York City's first 2 mega sites will be open today from 1 to 6 p.m., but starting tomorrow, they will operate 24/7. Reporting live from Sunset Park, Brooklyn, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you. Corona Queens with more. Good morning, Christina.
Well, good morning, Cindy. Many new vaccination centers are opening this weekend, including the one inside this building, but people are questioning why, especially because so many existing clinics already don't have enough doses to go around. And state leaders aren't just calling for more vaccine production. Governor Cuomo says the state's most recent allotment of the vaccine was cut by about 50,000 doses. Reporting live from Corona, Queens, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you.
Cindy, Valerie, good morning. It may be quiet now, but this is the intersection where officers eventually caught up with that stabbing suspect early this morning. They took him to the 32nd precinct, where a few hours ago we got our first glimpse at his face. Here in New York City, the NYPD's Counterterrorism Bureau says it is also closely monitoring the developments of this investigation. Reporting from Harlem, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
From a vaccination site at the Brooklyn Army Terminal. Christina?
Good morning, Cindy. We are learning more about that first Connecticut man who tested positive. He is currently showing mild symptoms and was double vaccinated. Officials believe he was possibly infected by a family member who recently attended the New York City Anime Convention at the Javits Center. More cases. And again, health officials say the new variant is cause for concern, but not panic. If you are fully vaccinated, now is the time to get that booster shot. Reporting live from Brooklyn Army Terminal, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you. Live from Passaic with more. Good morning, Christina.
Well, good morning, Cindy. To give you an idea of the magnitude of this fire, we're almost 10 hours in, and the chemical warehouse across the street is still smoldering at this hour. At one point, a chlorine firefighter was injured. The cause of this fire still remains under investigation. We're live from Passaic, New Jersey. Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you.
While police recover the weapon used in the attack, they say the suspect ran away. So far, no arrests have been made. Reporting from Midtown Manhattan, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News. Well, Chris Mary, the focus of this investigation appears to be on this blue apartment building behind us. Detectives have been going in and out through the front door all morning, gathering evidence. Information is still limited at this time, but we will bring that to you. For now, live from Kearney, New Jersey, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Christina, thank you.
Police say Rogers was wanted on outstanding warrants and led them on a high-speed chase. When police later came to his house, they say he resisted arrest and grabbed his waistband. She received a text message to check Snapchat. The victim told police she also believes she was sexually assaulted, but detectives say they didn't have enough evidence to charge the suspect. They did, however, arrest him on 3 other counts, including voyeurism. Essex County officials say their facilities are capable of vaccinating 30,000 people a week. If drug companies can increase production, officials predict they can have everyone vaccinated here within 4 months. Reporting from Newark, New Jersey, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News. Well, Christina and Maurice, that first flight from the outbreak region, Wuhan, China, landed here about an hour ago. Passengers told us that the process was relatively easy. They were asked to stand in a line, had a thermometer pointed at their foreheads, and were asked to fill out a questionnaire. And those passengers who passed the screening tonight told us they received this yellow marker on their passports. Those who are suspected of being infected will be taken to local hospitals where they will undergo further evaluation. The CDC tells us the last time they took precautions like this, it was during the Ebola epidemic back in 2014. Reporting live from JFK Airport, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News. Well, Chris, the victim says the suspect mumbled a few words to him before stabbing him in the back. This unprovoked attack reigniting demands from many riders who want to see more police presence as well as services for the mentally ill. And police say the suspect in Monday's attack is a man between the ages of 25 to 30 years old. They say he is still on the run. Reporting live from Times Square, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for joining us on CBSN New York. I'm Christina Fan. We are giving you a look at the conditions in Jersey City. We're actually standing near the entrance to the Holland Tunnel right now. We just drove around this area. There's no better way to describe the conditions than treacherous. Besides the snow and the ice, another obstacle people are dealing with right now are these snowbanks you see right in front of these gas stations. They're creating, as you reach this portion of the road, you're greeted with this beautiful view of Manhattan and the financial district. Right now, can hardly see anything. There are lights near the toll booths, and right now, I mean, from where I'm standing, can't see it, and we're only a couple hundred feet away. Just took a look on the CBS app, and it's saying that visibility right now is only a couple hundred yards, and that visibility expected to decrease throughout the day. So if you are thinking about hitting the roads and can put off that trip, we highly recommend you do so. Near whiteout conditions here right now. For now, we're reporting in Jersey City. Christina.
Live from JFK Airport with the latest on all of this. Christina?
Good morning, Andrea. The new variant was originally discovered in South Africa, but it has since been detected in at least 8 countries. This morning, health experts are warning it is likely already here in the United States. And doctors say for now we should all keep doing what has been proven to be successful, and that includes getting vaccinated, getting your boosters, and of course, social distancing. We're live from JFK Airport. Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you.
Well, Dana, we are standing right across the street from where that naval ship is expected to dock here tomorrow, bringing along with it about 1,000 hospital beds. Meanwhile, in Central Park tonight, work is also going on to keep up with the demand. And there is hopeful news. One of New York's first coronavirus patients, a New Rochelle man, was recently released from the hospital. Across the state, over 3,500 patients have been discharged since the outbreak began. On the West Side, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
10:55's Christina Fan is live at JFK Airport with the latest on the outbreak. Christina.
Well, Jessica, a flight from JFK to Milan here tonight was canceled because of the coronavirus. Meanwhile, we have learned that the first confirmed case in New York City is a woman in her late 30s who recently returned from Iran. Officials tell us she is self-isolated inside her home, and there is no reason for public anxiety. And tonight at the airport, we've seen a lot of passengers still wearing face masks. The U.S. Surgeon General taking to Twitter this weekend, telling and pleading to Americans to stop buying them, saying they will not prevent you from getting the disease. Reporting live from JFK Airport, Christina Fan, TV 1055.
Pretty common misconception. All right, Christina, thank you.
Good morning, Andrea. Protesters here say they are fed up over the same chain of events continually happening, beginning with a traffic stop that turns violent and ending with the death of a black man at the hands of police. Protesters say the death of Nichols is proof that current policy changes are not working. And local protests are expected to continue for a third straight day, with demonstrations planned on both Long Island as well as in Elizabeth, New Jersey this afternoon. Live from Washington Square Park, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you. We'll have continuing coverage of the death of Tyree Nichols, including local reaction on CBS 2 and streaming on CBS News New York. For all of the latest developments, head to cbsnewyork.com. CBS 2's Christina Fan joins us live from the scene. Christina, what are you hearing from police?
Well, Chris and Mary, good morning. Officers told us that the suspect threw a Molotov cocktail towards the back of the synagogue before taking off down this driveway. Religious leaders say this is just another attack on a community that's been dealing with a recent increase in hate crimes. And New York Congressman Richie Torres is also expected to talk about the recent increase in anti-Semitism at a news conference later this morning, talking about the recent findings from a study conducted by the Anti-Defamation League. Live from Bloomfield, New Jersey, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you.
Joined us live from the scene in Lido Beach. And Christina, what are environmentalists saying may be causing this?
Well, Mary and Cindy, good morning. We know that a necropsy is scheduled for later this morning down on the beach where the humpback whale still is, to determine how it died. We also know that there is some controversy that the state's recent transition to clean energy could be to blame. And Governor Hochul also said there is no scientific evidence linking recent whale mortalities to offshore wind, and that the state's transition to clean energy will continue as planned. Live from Lido Beach, Nassau County, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Christina, thank you.